Nokia has launched a brand new smartphone. According to the pricing, it seems to be a high-end smartphone, and I feel they really need to rethink strategy and pricing. This and more in today's episode. Hello and welcome to a fresh new video of Daily Fiber. I'm your host Aman Rashid, and before we get on with the rest of the episode, consider hitting that red subscribe button for detailed tech videos and also turn on the bell so that you don't miss any of our latest updates. With that said, let's get started. So Nokia just launched their brand new smartphone in the Indian market, and it's a high-end phone. I mean, should I even call it a high-end phone? Because this Nokia X30 5G, that's the name of the phone. Nokia has priced this device at 48,999 rupees. Alright, no problem. Many smartphone manufacturers price their phone around 50,000-60,000 rupees. Not at all a problem. But for the price, what are you getting? What are the specs and features that you're getting here? Modest specifications at best. So this Nokia X30 5G is powered by the Snapdragon 695 SoC. Like what? Okay, alright, the processor is not everything in a phone. So let's talk about the camera. So the Nokia X30 5G has a 50 megapixel dual rear camera setup, two cameras at the back, one at the front 16 megapixel shooter. And for this price, even the Google Pixel 7, which sells for about 55,000 rupees around this RAM, it also offers 3 cameras. So okay, that is fine, acceptable. But apart from this, in terms of software, the Nokia X30 5G boots Android 12. I mean, the developer testing of the Android 14 update has already been, it's already underway, and Nokia is still stuck with Android 12, which I don't even know, like, what are they even doing? I mean, I'm at a loss of words. If Nokia would have priced this phone at about 25,000 rupees, I mean maximum 30,000 rupees, there was still a ray of hope. But at a price of about 49,000 rupees, I really think, as I said, they really need to rethink strategy and pricing. What are your thoughts, guys? OPPO is now the only smartphone maker to offer a foldable smartphone in the Indian market after Samsung and Motorola. So the company has unveiled their latest OPPO Find N2 Flip globally. It's also making its way to the Indian market, and it is all set to compete against the Galaxy Z Flip 4. Now Manas is already in London. He's covering the OPPO event, and ton of content is about to come around the OPPO Find N2 Flip. So if you don't want to miss that, then definitely stay tuned to Fiber. Now, what does the Find N2 Flip offer? Well, note that this phone was initially launched in China, and the global variant of the phone also matches the Chinese variant in terms of specs and features. So what you get here is, of course, a cover display on the outside, which is like quite larger than that of the Z Flip 4. Then on the inside, there's a 120 Hz AMOLED display. The processor you get here is the Dimensity 9000 Plus SoC. There's 8 GB RAM, 256 GB storage, 4300 mAh battery, and 80 watt fast charging. So apart from this, as of right now, OPPO has not announced the Indian pricing of the Find N2 Flip, but my hunch is that whenever this phone launches, the pricing, in terms of pricing, the phone is definitely, like, I feel the phone is going to undercut the Galaxy Z Flip 4, as I said, in terms of pricing. But will it be able to topple the popularity of the Galaxy Z Flip 4? That remains to be seen. The Moto X40 was launched in China late last year, and now speculations are suggesting that this phone is about to make its global debut as the rebranded Moto X40 Pro. Now, recently only the renders of the phone and the pricing of the phone leaked online, and now the phone has appeared on Geekbench. So in terms of the scores, impressive scores, right up there in the Android top tier flagship segment. But apart from the scores, we can also notice the R2 motherboard, which signifies its links with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. We could get the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip under the hood. Apart from this, we can also see there's 11 GB of RAM in this listing, but expect to see other RAM options as well, and also expect to see Android 13 software out of the box. Ever since taking over Twitter, Elon Musk has been in the news, like, for all the right and wrong reasons. And one thing that I have to give it to this guy is that the way he manages to stay relevant. I mean, claps for him. This was sarcasm. But anyway, the new bit is that Elon Musk has tweeted a picture of his dog, Floki. So this dog, his dog is wearing a CEO t-shirt. There's a laptop on the table. There's some documents. And the tweet says that the new CEO of Twitter is amazing. Interestingly, he also added another tweet in which he says that the new CEO of Twitter is better than the other guy. So by other guy, he's basically taking a dig at Parag Agrawal. And for those who don't know, Parag Agrawal had to exit after Elon Musk took over the company, and Elon Musk has not been fond of Parag Agrawal. The world knows it. I mean, even in one of his earlier texts to Agrawal, he said that joining the board of Twitter is like a waste of time. So yes guys, that was your Twitter scoop for the day. Stay tuned for more incoming scoops every day. So in one of the previous episodes, when the Moto E13 launched, I was like suggesting it to you guys in the deal segment, and how the phone made for an amazing deal because of the introductory pricing. Now, of course, the introductory pricing on the Moto E13 is gone, but if you want a budget phone, if you want to get a budget phone for yourself, then still the pricing of the Moto E13 makes a lot of sense. So currently, the Moto E13 is starting at 6,999 rupees, while the 4GB RAM variant of the phone is priced at 7,999 rupees. And for this kind of money, I think so this is a brilliant budget smartphone. I mean, if you are talking about the design, it looks good, it has a decent camera for its price, then the screen is good, so nice LCD display, and it also comes with Dolby Atmos support for that immersive viewing experience. Of course, you are getting a clean software support, you're getting a box charger in the box, big battery. So I think so for the kind of money, if you want a solid budget phone, I think so the Moto E13 is a brilliant deal. And with that, we have reached the end of this episode. So what are your thoughts on today's video? Let me know everything in the comments below. And as always, for all the latest in tech, stay tuned to Fiiber. I'll catch you all in the next one. Thank you for watching.